你好，我叫老师 Cliff. My name is Teacher Cliff, so I'm going to speak more in English. 我不会中文, but I'll give you probably a little Chinese here and there. So following are some more easily correctable English pronunciations, right? 复音很大的字在中国, there's many words to pronunciate. And sounding tips that I have discovered or found from my good Chinese English speaking students, right? You guys. So here they are, and hopefully it helps you on your English speaking journeys. The first sound is TH, right? Th. And as we know, that's a sound that's not often heard in Asian languages, and therefore it's necessary to practice this as much as possible, right? Zhongbei, to practice this. It's a tongue to top of teeth sound, often, right? Sound often. So here's some English words that I'll pronounce for you, as well as some helpful websites. So teeth, tooth, Thursday, think, theater, authorize, maths, and both. So I know some of you are learning British English as well as American English, so I've written some Americanized with the Z and authorize, and then RE British, as well as Americans,我不会 maths, we don't say with the S. Also, just as common is the V sound, the, and that can be challenging to pronounce as well. So here again, some words that I'm going to pronounce for you, and some more helpful websites for you to self-study. So very, value, move, veer, curve, dove, and vowels, right? I'm over-extenuating, I'm over-pronouncing these words. So again, my advice is to repeat that and do that often, right, with the heavy sounds. And then once you get accustomed to them, I should say, it will be easier and more recognizable for native English speakers to hear these sounds. The third one is the rolling R's. Those can be tricky as well. So again, let me pronounce some words and some more helpful websites for you. So butter, really, ladder. The fourth one is the L sounds. And let me pronounce some more words for you, and then some helpful websites too. So love, letters, like, listen, look, also well, W-E-L-L, as well as it is my pleasure. And sometimes I hear my students finish off words with the high ah sound, ya or ya sound. So for example, it's dog, gao, right? Dog. 不会, don't say dog, dog. So for example, e.g. is example, he has a dog. Cat, right? 猫不会 cat 家, it's not cat da, it's cat. She owns a cat. Also and, it's not and, it's and. So for example, he has a dog and she owns a cat. Also yes. So yes, 不会, yes, it's yes. Yes. All right. So hopefully these tidbits, they help you on your English journeys and your pronunciation skills. Thank you very much, right? So 谢谢, thank you.